To take the tracks apart, you want to pull this piece out like this. And at the bottom, you're gonna see this little guy here. You're gonna pull him this way and the other piece just pops right off, making it a lot easier to attach your piece on. These tacks you're gonna put on the bottom. Now we install the hinge, and you're gonna wanna attach it to this panel first and then put it on top.